Okay, so now as we're seeing that steam up pretty nice, and you can see it going pretty good, and our time for that is about 3.5 minutes. So now I got to start thinking about what I'm going to do for the okra. So for the okra, I'm going to put water in this, and this is what's called a double boiler. But a double boiler represents steam here, so I'm going to pull that up there, and if I can get it to rest there, okay. And I'm going to put up just enough water to hold the bottom on here, because I don't need a lot. Because one of the cool things about steam is a little bit of water makes a whole lot of steam. And so if you don't have a lot of water in it, then what it does is it'll turn to steam faster. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on here, and I'm going to start up the heat on this one pretty good. Okay, so this is going to full blast here. Now, it's gonna go right there, and then I'm gonna put this double boiler in here. But I've got to get my okra counted out there, because my wife wants 10 to 12. So should I give her 11? Does that sound like a good idea? Okay, this is all freshly picked, probably today, from our friend's garden. She's still getting lots of good okra here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put these on here, but I'm gonna take it off there because I don't want it to heat up until I'm ready to have it cooked. Because my wife is very precise. 5 minutes, and only 5 minutes. So I'm going to set some of those up. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I must get her an 11th. There's an, ooh, that's a beauty for an 11th. Okay, so we've got 11 big okras right in there waiting for her. And I know she likes them. She just loves this time of year when she gets to have the okra. And once we see the water is boiling good, 5 minutes, I go ahead and I put the boiler on with the lid, and all these holes in the bottom of it. You can see the holes down there on the bottom of it. All the steam's going to rise, and it's going to go through these holes, and it's going to cook that okra. And in 5 minutes, it's going to be just the exact way my wife likes a tender okra. Now, I'm not a big okra eater myself. I think I'm going to have a salad, but that's what she wants, so that's what she gets. Okay, and we can see, look at that, isn't that just beautiful? Look at that macaroni and cheese. You can see the golden deliciousness starting to soften up. Now, while I'm doing this one here, it's time for me to make sure I open the cheese bag here, powdered cheese, and I'm going to get some milk and some butter, and I'll be all ready to go.